What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best gaming tablets in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices, like the video comment. And don't forget to subscribe. Gaming on the go can be much better when you have an upgraded screen to play on. For this reason, many players turn to tablets when it comes to playing some of the best mobile games on the market. However, with the tablet world filled to the brim with so many choices, it can be kind of tough to choose just what might be the best one for your gaming needs. When it comes to Android-based tablets, a handful of contenders made the cut for some of the best possible choices, but only a handful are really suited for gaming needs. To help, we've compiled a list of some of the best Android gaming tablets you can find. If you're looking for a place to start, look no further than the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. TopHomeGuide.com. Search Top Home Guide before choose your product. Now let's get started. Samsung Galaxy Tab A8. Whether your family is streaming or video chatting with friends, the Galaxy Tab A8 tablet brings out the best in every moment on a 10.5 LCD screen. Get the power, storage and speed your family needs with an upgraded chipset and plenty of room to keep files up to 128 GB of storage. A long-lasting battery lets you go unplugged for hours to keep the family fun going. Go for hours on a single charge and back to 100% with the fast-charging USB-C port. Battery life may vary depending on network environment, usage patterns and other factors. Children can enjoy access to Samsung Kids, a library of safe and fun games, books and videos that are kid-friendly and parent-approved. Reasons to buy: loud Dolby Atmos speakers, solid performance wide display great for streaming, impressive battery life, long-term security support. Reason to avoid: slow 15 watts charging, weak front and rear cameras, limited base model RAM and storage. Samsung Galaxy Tab S6. A vivid, crystal clear display draws you into content while dual speakers with sound by AKG supply spacious Dolby Atmos surround sound. With Discovery powered by Spotify, setting a personal soundtrack to your waking moments has never been easier. A long-lasting battery lets you stream for up to 12 hours Superscript 1 on a single charge. The fast-charging USB-C port allows you to quickly get back to where you left off when you need to recharge. Get more done each day by turning your Galaxy devices into an expanded desktop workstation. Send multiple windows to the devices of your choice and control them all from your Galaxy Tab S6 Lite like a boss. Battery power consumption depends on usage patterns. Results may vary. Decks will be available on ROS or above. Reasons to buy: beautiful Super AMOLED display. Excellent S Pen comes as standard. Speedy performance. Reasons to avoid: Samsung's One UI still not perfect. Expensive for an Android tablet. No headphone jack. Samsung Galaxy Tab S7. A large 12.4-inch display brings your content to life in brilliant color whether indoors or outdoors, making Samsung Galaxy S7 FE a great tablet for study time or for a quick entertainment break. Take notes in class, sketch out an idea or even doodle with the included S Pen, featuring a responsive new design that feels closer to pen on paper than ever before. Master every assignment with Galaxy connectivity, get more done on an expanded workstation that lets you hand off content between your devices, or enjoy a PC-like experience with multiple windows open on your tablet. Reasons to buy: gorgeous OLED screen, fast performance, premium design. Reasons to avoid: Android lacks quality tablet apps, just one port, high price. Fire HD 8 Kids Pro Tablet 8 inches. Kids Pro tablets include access to a digital store. Kids can request apps and ebooks, while parents approve purchases and downloads. Plus, parents can add access to more apps like Minecraft and Zoom. The web browser comes with built-in controls designed to help filter out inappropriate sites and let parents add or block specific websites at any time. Kids can send announcements and make voice and video calls over Wi-Fi to approved contacts with an Alexa-enabled device or the Alexa app. 2-year worry-free guarantee and slim kid-friendly case included. If it breaks, return it and we'll replace it for free. Features a quad-core processor, 2GB RAM, 8-inch HD display, dual cameras, USB-C 2.0 port, and up to 1 TB of expandable storage. Reasons to buy: rubberized, kid-resistant case. Fire HD 8 Kids Pro option for older kids. Reasons to avoid: browsing can be slow. Case isn't water resistant. Samsung Galaxy Tab A7. Stream and browse on a 10.4-inch ultra-widescreen display designed to bring your content to life without weighing you down. The front-facing, landscape-oriented camera allows you to transition between entertainment and video calls seamlessly. Powerful processing speeds and upgraded memory means you can do more, and keep more, of the things you love: apps, videos, playlists and beyond. Galaxy Tab A7's enhanced battery is designed for busy days and includes a fast-charging USB-C port that quickly gets you back to 100%. Sharing content can be fast and simple. Galaxy Tab A7 has the option to connect to family members' devices so you can easily exchange photos, reminders, notes and calendar events. With purchase of Galaxy Tab A7, get 2 months of free YouTube Premium and 6 months of free Spotify Premium. Reasons to buy: excellent battery life, facial recognition, USB-C charging, thin bezels. Reason to avoid: underwhelming performance. Screen is a little dim. You wanted the best. You got it. Thanks for watching. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time. See you guys later.